Basic tools need to use application software. Yes, Yasindu. What are the basic tools we need to work with application software? What are the basic tools?
Keyboard and mouse.
Yeah, very good. We need keyboard and mouse, right? Then we discuss about mouse, right? Okay. What are the three types of mouse? Shioli, can you answer me, Magaputa? What are the three types of mouse? Do you know? Then Yasitu answer me, Puta. What are the three types of mouse you know? Yes, Yasindu. What are the three types of mouse you know?
Mouse is an input device.
No. What are the three types of mouse? There are three types of mouse. What are those three types?
Excuse me, teacher, what is the meaning of the type?
Varg. Mouse varg. Go through your tooth, Magaputa, then you can find. There are three types of mouse. Mouse varga tunak tiyenawa.
Wireless mouse, touchpad,
and mouse. We can say it's a wired mouse, right? So, what are the three types of mouse? Mouse, wireless mouse, touchpad. Mouse with a cable, we can say it's a mouse or wired mouse. Mouse එකේ wire එකක් තියෙනවා නම් අපි කියනවා wired mouse එකක් කියන. Wireless mouse. Here you can see a image of wireless mouse. ඔන්න පුතේ මෙතන පෙන්නනවා wireless mouse එකේ image එකක්. Touchpad. In laptops we use touchpad. Touchpad අපි use කරන්නේ laptop වල. Right. Then in a mouse there are three parts. Parts kotas. What are the three parts in a mouse? Yasindu, what are the three parts in a mouse?
left,
Yes, right?
left button, right button,
Okay. And in the middle, මැද තියෙනවා මොකද්ද? In the middle, we can see scrolling wheel, right? Scrolling wheel. We can say left button, right button and scroll wheel. Scroll කියන්නේ පුතේ අපි එහාට මෙහාට යනවට scroll කියන්නේ. එහාට මෙහාට යවන රෝදයට අපි කියනවා scroll wheel. Right? Yes, in my screen you can see a mouse. Alright? In this mouse there are three parts. So this is how you have to keep your fingers on the mouse, right? Then right, left button, right button, and in the middle we can see the scroll wheel. By using this we can go up and down, right? Because of this we can go up and down. So let's go up. Right. Then there are three functions of mouse. Yeah, Sindhu, api three functions of mouse kata kara ned?
yes teacher.
Yes. Yes. Mainly there are three functions of mouse. Select, open and move. Select, open and move. These are the three functions of mouse, right? Okay, let's discuss it again. Select. If we want to select any item, what we have to do is we have to bring the cursor onto the icon and click the left button once. වම් පැත්තේ බොත්තම එක පාරක් ඔබන්න තියෙන. Select something. How to select something. Right? I'll show you again. Right. Here in my screen, I think you can see my desktop now. Right. Okay. So, I want to select any folder or file. I want to select this image. So, bring your mouse cursor onto the image. Right. Bring your mouse onto the image. I want to select screenshot 3 PNG. Bring your mouse onto the screen and you have to click the left button once. වම් පැත්තේ බොත්තම එක පාරක් ඔබන්න. Then what will happen? You can see that icon highlighted. අර අපි select කරපු icon එක නැත්නම් select කරපු image එක හරි software එක හරි highlight වෙනවා පේනවා. Let's see it. First, bring the cursor onto the icon and click the left button. See? It's highlighted. When I move my cursor away, you can say it's highlighted. Right? You can see it's highlighted. Is it correct, Yasindu? Is it okay for you? Okay. Right. Then let's go to the second function. What is the second function?
Opening necessary item.
Opening necessary item. Shioli, Puta, do you have the tute with you? Tute එක තියෙනවද? Do you have the tute?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, right. Second function, open necessary item. To open any item, we have two methods. Item එකක් select කරන්න ක්‍රම දෙකක් තියෙනවා. There are two methods. Right? First method. Let's see the first method. Double click the left button. In this time, to open anything, we have to double click the left button. එක පාරක් click කරාම, when we click the left button once, we can select. But if you click it twice, we can open. Let's see. I'm going to open something. I want to open this image. So what we have to do is bring your cursor onto the icon and click left button twice. දෙපාරක් left button එක click කරන්න ඕනේ. Right? Let's see. When I click it twice, I can open it. Let's see. Let's wait until it open. It will take some time. Right, my image is up. Yeah, you can see the image. Right, this is a one method. So if you want to open this, I want to open doc1 PDF. Then bring your cursor onto the icon and double click the left button. On the teacher left button එක double click කරනවා. Then I can open this PDF file. ඊට පස්සේ ටීචර්ට පුළුවන් මෙන්න මේ PDF file එක open කරගන්න. Right? Let's go to the second method. අපි යමු දෙවෙනි ක්‍රමයට. Let's go to the second method. Click the right button on the mouse. Select the open command from the submenu. You can see all these notes and images in your tube. Then follow it, right? Let's go to the next method. Right? Second method. So what you have to do is you have to click the right mouse button. You have to click your right mouse button once, right? When you click your right mouse button once, you can see a menu. Now you can see a menu. From this menu, we have to select open command. We have to select open command. Right click කරාම menu එකක් එනවා. From this menu, you have to select the open command. Open command එක select කරන්න ඕනේ. Then you can open this image. Right. Is it clear to you? Yes? Yes. Right? Okay, good. So you have to go through your lesson because when we finish this lesson, you will have 2 online tests. Right? අපි මේ පාඩම ඉවර කරාට පස්සේ පුතේ ඔයාලට online test දෙකක් තියෙනවා. One is from this 4th lesson. It's only from this 4th lesson. එක test එකක් 4 වෙනි පාඩමෙන් විතරයි, right? But the next test is from all the 4 lessons. From lesson 1 to lesson 4. අනිත් online test එක lesson 1 එකේ ඉඳන් lesson 4 එකට වෙනකම්ම cover වෙන්න තමයි තියෙන්නේ. Okay, therefore please go through your ICT notes and get ready for the online test. Right? Most probably in the first 2 weeks of this September you will have the test. September පළවෙනි සති දෙකේ ඔයාලට test එක තියෙනවා. Right? Okay. Let's back to our lesson. Right? Now we are going to start the new part. Sorry, we forgot the move, right? If you want to move something, click the left button, then drag and drop. Last week we discussed this, right? Click the left button, drag and drop. Click the left button, drag and drop. Click the left button, drag and drop. Drag and drop. Drag කියන්නේ අදිනවා. Drop කියන්නේ ගෙනල්ලා දානවා. ඇදලා ගෙනත් දාන්න. Drag, drop. Drag, drop. Selected, drag and drop. Selected, drag and drop. How to select any item? How to select any item? කොහොමද අපි select කරන්නේ? How to select?
Click the left button.
Very good. Click the left button once. Very good, Yasindu. Click the left button and drag and drop. Click the left button, drag and drop. Right. Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you? Shall we go to the next part? Very good. Yes. Shioli, is it clear to you, Magaputa? Yeah, right. Good. Okay. Let's go to our today's lesson. So, Yasindu answered me. There are 2 basic tools we need to consider when we use application software. Application software. අපේ මේ පාඩම තමයි application software ගැන ඉගෙන ගන්න එක, right? So when we use application software, we need two basic tools. They are mouse and keyboard. Last week I gave you homework. Let's move to the homework. I told you to do the activity 4.2. Activity 4.2. It's very easy. Right? It's very easy. Let's go to the first question, right? The following screenshots show how the mouse appears on a computer screen on different occasions. Describe when each mouse pointer appears on the screen. Right. Normally, our mouse pointer is just like an arrowhead. අපේ mouse pointer එක arrowhead එකක් වගේ තමයි පේන්නේ, right? ඊතල හිසක් වගේ. Normally, we can see a mouse pointer as arrowhead. But in different occasions, what is mean by occasion, පුතේ? Occasion කියලා කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? What's the singular meaning? Occasions. දන්නවද? Occasions. Avastha. Different. What's the meaning of different?
වෙනස්.
Vividha. Vividha avasthavala. According to the different situation, mouse pointer change. Right? The following screenshot show how the mouse appear. කොහොමද mouse එක පෙන්වන්නේ? Appear පෙන්වන්නේ, පෙන්නුම් කරන්නේ. We can take the similar word as display, right? How the mouse appears on a computer screen on different occasions. Vividha avasthavala. On different occasions. Describe when each mouse pointer appears on the screen. Right. I gave this to you. In last week, I gave this note to you. So, what is the first occasion? Yeah? Can you remember, Asindu, what's the first occasion? Here you can see.
First one is
First one is
select.
Select. It means normal select option. Normal select. Next one. In this time, mouse pointer change into a hand. We
Touch.
use it. It used to link select. Link එකක් select කරන්න යද්දී ඔයාලගේ දැන් ඔන්න zoom link එක හරි අනේ වගේ link එකක් select කරන්න යද්දී when we go to select a link, our mouse pointer or arrowhead change into a hand, right? This is link select. What is the next one? Here you can see a sand clock. Why we use this?
I don't know this.
We use it for BC, to say BC. But now in computers, we don't use this sand clock. Now we use a rotating circle, right? Last week I gave this to you, right? Can you remember this now? Last week we wrote this in your tune. Normal select, link select, text select, BC and move. Now can you remember it? And
Yes.
okay, then quickly complete your workbook activity. Now we are going to learn the next tool. It's keyboard. In your tune, you can see this image also, right? Keyboard is a input device. Yes, it's correct. Keyboard is a input device and mouse also input device. Keyboard is used to input data, letters, numbers, characters. අනුලක්ෂණ නැත්නම් symbols. අපි කියන සංකේත hashtag එක, hash mark එක, dollar mark එක, percentage mark එක. These are the symbols, right? So we use keyboard to enter letters, numbers and symbols, right? There are three types of keyboards. There are three types of keyboard. Keyboard, wireless keyboard, touch keyboard. Keyboard, wireless keyboard, touch keyboard. This keyboard mean wired keyboard, right? ඒ කියන්නේ මේ keyboard එක wire එකකින් තමයි සම්බන්ධ වෙන්නේ. Right? Wired keyboard. Right? Keyboard. First one is wired keyboard. Right? Can you see in my screen? There is a wired keyboard. Right? There is a wire. By using this wire, we can connect to the computer. Right? Next one. Wireless keyboard. Wireless keyboard. ඒ කියන්නේ wire එකකින් නෙමෙයි සම්බන්ධ වෙන්නේ. USB port එකකින් සම්බන්ධ වෙන්නේ. මේක infrared wave එකකින් හරි Bluetooth වලින් හදලා. Bluetooth වලින් අපි connect කර ගන්නවා. Wireless keyboard. Right? Wireless keyboard. Dinugi. Right? Next one is touch keyboard. Touch keyboard. Now please answer me. There are three types of keyboards. I think you can remember there were three types of mouse. Mouse වරගත් තුනක් තිබුණා. Wired mouse, wireless mouse and touchpad. Likewise, there are three types of keyboards. Keyboard, it means wired keyboard. Wireless keyboard, touch keyboard. Wireless keyboard, touch keyboard, right? Let's see some images. Here you can see a wired keyboard. So wired keyboard connected to the computer via cable. Cable එකකින් තමයි connect වෙන්නේ. Right? And next one wireless keyboard. Right? So we use Bluetooth technology. අපි Bluetooth වලින් තමයි connect කරන්නේ. Next one touch screen or touch keyboard. Touch keyboard. Right? Where you can see touch keyboards? Please tell me where you can see touch keyboard. Where you can see touch keyboard? කොහෙද අපි touch keyboards දකින්නේ? I'll tell one example. In our mobile phone, we have touch screen, right? We have touch screen. See, by touching this, we can write, right? Touch screen. This is a one occasion we can see touch screen. Right? Can you remember some other situations where we use touch screen? අපි තව කොහෙද touch screen භාවිතා කරන්න කියලා මතකද? Where we use touch screen? Yes? Yes, Sindhu?
What is
where we use touch screen. අපි කොහෙද touch screen පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ? Where we use touch screen? One instance is එක අවස්ථාවක් තමයි අපේ mobile phone එක, right? In the mobile phone we have touch screen, right?
yes?
By touching this. Then can you remember some other occasions where we can see touch screen?
Laptop.
On laptops. Laptops, right? In laptops, do we have touch screen? But in tab computers, yeah, not in laptops, but in tab computers, we can see touch screens. Then and do you have smart boards in your school? Smart boards. Do you have smart board in your schools?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. In the smart board, we use touch screen. We use touch screen. Can you
Smart
remember?
TV.
Right. If we have smart TVs, yes, we can use touch screen. Okay. Next one. When you go to supermarkets, Keels, or any other shopping center, how they prepare bill? Sometimes there's a touch screen. They touch and create your bill. There's a touch screen, right? By using the touch screen, they bill your items and prepare the final bill. Can you remember that situation? In supermarkets and shopping centers, even in Satosa Cargill centers, you can see the touch screen in the billing area. Another situation. Right, when you go to ATM and CDM machines, ATM, CDM, when you go to withdraw your money and if you want to deposit your money, when you use the ATM machine, in newest machines we can touch. We can touch the screen and select the options. ATM machine එකෙන් CDM machine එකෙන් සල්ලි දාන්න, to deposit money and to withdraw සල්ලි ගන්න ගියාම අලුත් machine වල අපිට touch screen එකේ touch කරලා options select කරන්න පුළුවන්. So you can experience these situations. So there are 3 types of keyboards: wired keyboard, wireless keyboard and touch screen, right? Touch keyboard, right? In your tude, there's a space to write down types of keyboard. Shall we write it quickly? Identify the keys in the keyboard, right? From now, you have to follow your tude, right? Okay. This is the keyboard layout. Right now we are going to identify the keys in the keyboard. Right? I think you can see this note in your tude. Let's go to your tude and check it. Types of keys in the keyboard and their functions. Right? Please go to this note. Please go to this note in your tude. While I am describing teacher විස්තර කරද්දී, you have to write down important points and you have to highlight the important points. If you want to write something new, you can write in this tude. පුතාලට අලුතෙන් මොන හරි ලියන්න ඕනි වුණොත් මේකේ ලියන්න ඕනි. Right? If you want to highlight some important point, then you can highlight in the tude. Highlight කරන්න ඕනොත් tude එකේම highlight කරන්න ඕනි. Right? Okay? Okay, right. Now, take 2 minutes. Right? Take 2 minutes and go through my screen. Right? Here I have grouped all the keys in the keyboard. Teacher keyboard එකේ තියෙන keys ටික group කරලා තියෙන්නේ. Right? A, B, C, D, E. Right? And check the colors. There are some keys with yellow color, pink color, purple, black, not black, sorry, ash color and green color. Right, now I am going to discuss about these categories. Right, how I categorized. කොහොමද teacher මේක categorize කරේ? කොහොමද teacher මේක වෙන් කළේ? I categorized based on their functions. I categorized the keys on the keyboard based on their function. එයාලගේ function එක අනුව. Function mean කාර්යභාරය, ක්‍රියාව, ක්‍රියාවලිය. Simply what they do. I categorized according to their functions. How it works. කොහොමද එයා වැඩ කරන්නේ? මොකක්ද එයා කරන්නේ? අන්න ඒක අනුව තමයි teacher categorize කරේ. Right. Let's go to the types of the keys in the keyboard. Types of the keys on the keyboard. And their functions. Right? Let's go to the first type. Let's go to the first type. First one is type-in keys, or in next word we can say alphanumeric keys. First highlight the type-in keys. Type-in keys කියන එක ඉස්සෙල්ලම highlight කරන්න. Type-in keys. First highlight the first category of keys. It's type-in keys. Type-in keys type කරන්න භාවිතා කරන අතුරු. The keys we use for typing. Our first category. Okay? Type-in keys. Type කරන අතුරු. It means keys we use for typing. Right. Dinugi, could you please read the sentences related to type-in keys?
English letters from A to Z belong to this type. And special characters like
comma,
dot,
semicolon,
semicolon,
and star.
Star also belongs to this type.
Very good. Type-in keys. Type-in keys. Keys used for typing. So, English letters. So, in the keyboard, you can find the letters from A to Z. And some special characters. What are the special characters? You can see comma, dot, semicolon, and question mark, stars, and percentage mark. You know about percentage mark. And hash, at, and parentheses, paraham. Right? All are belongs to special keys, or we can say symbols. Now pay your attention to teacher's screen, and here which color is used to indicate the type-in keys? Yes, Indu, which color is used to indicate the type-in keys?
Yellow color.
Yellow color, very good. Now let's see. Here I categorize the type-in keys by using yellow color. Now let's identify the keys in yellow color. Yes, as we all know, we can see the letters from A to Z. These are the letters from A to Z. Other than that, here you can see some special characters, right? angular brackets. ඒ කියන්නේ අපි කියන්නේ කෝණික වරහන් කියලා angular brackets. These are the angular brackets. Comma, dot, question mark, right? Then other than that, colon, semicolon. What's the singular word? Actually, I can't remember, right? And the curly brackets, curly brackets, then special characters like percentage, and these are special characters, right? Other than special characters and English letters, these are special characters, right? Other than English letters and special characters, what are the other keys you can see here with the yellow color? What are the other keys you can see here with the yellow color?
Tab, caps lock, shift, space key, shift, enter, backspace.
Yes, well done. All these keys are also belongs to type in keys. It means tab, caps lock, shift, space bar, enter, backspace. Right. Now tell me, how many shift keys in a keyboard? Normally, how many shift keys in a keyboard? How many shift keys in a keyboard? Yasindu? How many shift keys in the keyboard?
5.
There are 2. Can you see? There are 2 shift keys. Shift keys දෙකයි තියෙන්නේ. හරිද? Shift keys දෙකයි. Right? I'll highlight it. This one and this one. There are 2 shift keys in the keyboard. Surely, how many caps lock keys in a keyboard? How many caps lock keys in a keyboard? There are 1 caps lock key. Caps lock key එකයි තියෙන්නේ. Can you see my screen? Yeah.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, this is the caps lock key. How many tabs keys are there? How many tabs keys are there? Tab key කීයක් තියෙනවද? 1. 1. How many enter keys in a keyboard? How many enter keys? 1. Right. So, in your tute, you can see English letters from English letters from A to Z, and special characters are belongs to type-in keys. Right. Other than that, there are many keys like tab, caps lock, shift, space bar, enter, backspace. In your tute, you have to write down the remaining keys like tab, caps lock, shift, space bar, enter, and backspace. Could you please write them in your tute under type-in keys, right? There are more type-in keys than English letters and special characters. Let's write it quickly. Pigment diagram. Do you know the singular meaning of the control? Control කියන වචන. Here you can see the singular meaning, right? පාලනය. Control පාලනය, right? If you want to control something, what we do? In the keyboard also, if you want to control something, we can use control keys, right? But if you want to use these keys, there are two options. විදි දෙකක් තියෙනවා, right? If you want, you can use them along. Along means තනිව, right? Else, you can use them with some another keys, right? You can use them with some another keys, right? Use these keys along තනිව or with other keys to perform task. Right. Let's see here. Before that, what are the control keys? CTRL. It means we call it as control key. CTRL. Then Alter. ALT. And the Windows logo key. Then Escape key. CTRL. ALT. Alter. Windows logo key and escape key. Right, let's go to the keyboard arm. Can you identify which color is used to indicate the control keys? Which color we use? Yeah, we use it just like pinkish, right? We use the pink color. Right. Can you identify the keys? See, control key. This is the control key, right? Then Alter key. ALT. In the keyboard, you can see the key with ALT. Then Windows logo key. Windows logo key. Right? And escape key. Escape. Right. Normally, in keyboards, we can see two CTRL or two control keys. In normal keyboards, we can see two control keys. සාමාන්‍ය keyboard එකක control keys දෙකක් තියෙනවා. Right? There are two control keys in a normal or standard keyboard. Right? Let's identify. This is one and this is the next one. And surely, how many Alter keys, ALT keys in a normal keyboard? How many ALT keys? Alter keys? Alter keys key there? Two. There are two Alter keys. In normal keyboard, we can see two Alter keys. Alter keys උත් දෙකක් තියෙනවා. How many escape key? ESC. How many escape keys? Tinuki? One. In normal keyboards, we can see one escape key. Then Windows logo key. In some keyboards, there are two logo keys, as in my screen. But in some keyboards, we can see only one Windows logo key, right? This is the Windows logo key. This one is the Windows logo key, right? So, we discussed these keys can be used along or with some another key. මේ keys පාවිච්චි කරන්න පුළුවන් තනිව හරි තව keys ටිකක් එක්ක හරි. Right? Can you remember what is the shortcut key to save anything? To save anything, what's the shortcut key? To save something, what's the shortcut key? අපි save කරන්න නම් මොකද්ද පාවිච්චි කරන shortcut key එක? Can you remember it? අපි සේව් කරන්න පාවිච්චි කරන keyboard shortcut key එක මතකද? Could you please tell me? අපි keyboard shortcut key එකක් පාවිච්චි කරා නේද? සේව් කරන්න. මතකද? ටීචර් කියලා දුන්නා. Control plus C Control plus S කියලා එකක් ටීචර් කියලා දුන්නා මතකද? Yes? No? Anyway. Right. If you want to save something, save any file. If you want, yes, I think you can remember, right? I told you in Microsoft Paint, when we save our paint, we can use Control plus S. Yes? And how to copy something? Dinuki, how to copy something? Adinugi, how to copy something?
Control C.
Very good. Control plus C. Then, always we use, in this situation, we use Control key and some another key. Control key and some another key. Right? Okay. Let's go to the, here, please highlight the CTRL, ALT, Windows logo key and escape key. These are some examples for control keys. These are some examples.
Arrow keys.
Navigation.
Home.
Read the definition. Used to
Moving around the document. Arrow key. Insert. Home. Delete. Page up and end. Page down.
Right, very good. Navigation keys. Navigate වෙනවා කියන්නේ අපිට කොහෙට හරි යනවනම් navigation keys අපිට එහෙට මෙහෙට යන්න අපි පාවිච්චි කරන keys වලට කියනවා navigation keys. Used to moving around the document. Used to moving around the document. Document එක වටේට යන්න. If you are writing a letter, you want to go to up, down, left, right. If you are creating a book with 100 pages, ඔයා මේ පොතක් ලියනවා, right? P to C එකේ. If you want to go to the first page, you can use page home. If you want to go to the last page, you can use end. If you go to the next page, you can use page up. If you want to go to the previous page, you can use page down. Likewise, there are some keys we use to navigate around the document. Right? So, when you play computer games, you will use these keys, especially arrow keys. Arrow keys, there are 4 keys to the 4 directions. Left, right, top, bottom. Right? Let's go to the keyboard and can you identify the navigation keys? Which color we use to indicate the navigation keys? Which color we use to indicate navigation keys? Shioli, which color we use to indicate navigation keys?
Green color.
Very good, green color. Let's identify the keys. Insert, home, page up, delete, end, page down. And next you can see the arrow keys. They are left arrow, left arrow, right arrow, top arrow and bottom arrow. Right. Now go through my screen and identify the insert key. Then highlight the insert key in your tune. Then identify the home button. I highlight it. Okay. Go through your tune and go through my screen. Identify the navigation keys and highlight them in your tune. Go through by each key, right? Go through by each key. Right? Have you highlighted it? Yes? Shall we go to the next key type, Putta? Okay? Is it okay, Dinuki? Shall we go to the next one?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, right. Up to now we discuss about
From 0 to 9 and keys from adding, subtraction, multiply and equal mark.
very good. In this keypad, right, we can see the numbers from 0 to 9 and some other keys like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and also there are some division and equal mark. Let's identify them and let's write down the remaining keys. Okay? Okay. Sorry. Right. Which color do we use to indicate the numeric keypad? Yes, Dinuki. What's the color we use? Here, which color we use to indicate the numeric keypad? Yes? We use ash color, right? Can you see it? Here at the right side. I'll highlight. Yeah, right? Ash color. Here you can see numbers from 0 to 9. Right? Numbers from 0 to 9. Then here you can see a enter button. Separate enter button. Right? Then addition. Subtraction. Multiplication. In computer, to indicate the multiplication, we use the symbol star. Multiplication and division. Right? Other than you can see delete button. Delete button. And also, can you see there are some arrowheads? There are some arrowheads. Right? This key, and this one. Here you can see some arrows. And also home, page up, end, page down. right? Normally, here you can see numbers from 0 to 9. Other than that, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and enter key, right? Enter key. So according to the keyboard to keyboard, this numeric keypad may be different, right? But there is a special key in this numeric keypad. That is numlock key. Numlock key. It is a lock, right? It is a lock. Normally, it is locked, right? It is locked. If you want to use this keypad, this is a keypad. It's a separate keypad. That's why we call numeric keypad, right? ඒක නිසා තමයි අපි මේක numeric keypad එක කියලා කියන්නේ. ඒක වෙන්ව තියෙන්නේ. If you want to use this keypad, you want to unlock this keypad. ඔයාට මේක use කරන්න ඕනේ නම් පුතේ ඔයා මේක unlock කරන්න ඕනේ. Already in default it's locked. If you want to unlock this, you have to press this button, not the button, you have to press this key numlock, right? ඔයා laptop එක වැඩ කරනවා නම් ඔයාට මේ key එක බලා ගන්නත් පුළුවන් numlock, right? When we press it, we can unlock it and we can use it. Again, when you press the numlock key, you can lock this keypad. Is it clear to you, mage putte? Is it clear to you?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Now this is your chance. Identify the new keys in the numeric keypad and write them in your tute. There are some extra keys. Can you identify them? And could you please write it in your tute? In the tute, you cannot see numlock key, enter key, you cannot see them. Could you please write it in your tute?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, do it quickly. Quickly identify them and write it in your tute. Right? Okay. Let's go to the next category. Next type. That's function keys. Function kriya kari yaturu. Function keys. Right. These keys are used to perform special tasks. There are 12 function keys. They named using F1 to F12. These keys are used to perform some special task, right? F1 to F12. Let's see it. Which color we use to indicate the function keys? Yasindu, which color we use to indicate the function keys? Yes. Function keys. What's the color we use to indicate the function keys? අපි function keys වලට පාවිච්චි කරලා දෙන පාට මොකද්ද පුතේ? බලන්නකො ටියුට් එකේ නෝට් එකත් එක්ක. Function keys mean keys are used to perform a special task. There are 12 function keys. They are named as F1, F2, F3 likewise. Now tell me, which color do we use to indicate the function keys? මොන පාටද පාවිච්චි කරලා තියෙන්නේ?
green color.
Green color nan නෙමෙයි. Functions F1, F2, F3 කියලා keys වගේක් පේනවද? Can you see the keys named with F1, F2, F3?
Yes, teacher. Pink color.
Yeah, it's like pink and purple, right? Those are the function keys. Now count and tell me how many function keys are there, Dinuki? How many function keys are there? How many function keys are there? Yes, how many function keys are there? Function keys කීයක් තියෙනවද? Yes, Dinugi? Function keys කීයක් තියෙනවද පුතේ? How many function keys? Yeah? Shioli, how many function keys are there?
12.
12. Yes, there are 12 function keys. They are named as F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9, F10, F11, F12, right? In all keyboards, there are 12 function keys. In each and every standard keyboard, we can see 12 function keys. හැම අපි කියන්නේ සම්මත keyboards හැම එකකම function keys 12ක් තියෙනවා, right? These function keys are designed to perform special task, special function. මේවා හදලා තියෙන්නේ special function එකකට, right? So these functions may be different according to software to software, according to operating system to operating system. Operating system එකකින් operating system එකට මේ function F keys වල function එක වෙනස් වෙන්න පුළුවන්. And software to software. For example, if we use Microsoft Paint, right? The function of the function keys may be different. And if we use Microsoft Word, Microsoft Word පාවිච්චි කරද්දී the function of the function keys may be different than MS Paint. Right? Likewise, these function keys are used to perform special tasks. So you don't need to know why we use them, right? But just remember these are some special keys we use to perform some special tasks. Right? Okay? Right. Let's go to the last key type. Last one is arrow keys. We already know about these arrow keys. Right. Anyway, Yasindu, could you please read my screen? Arrow keys.
These keys are used to move the cursor up and down and from right or left.
Good job. These keys are used to. These keys are used to move the cursor. Move. එහාට මෙහාට අරයි යන්න cursor එක. These keys are used to move the cursor. කොහෙටද? Up උඩට, down පහළට. And from right or left. වමට හෝ දකුණට. These keys are used to move the cursor up, down, right, left. Up, down, right, left. So these arrow keys are commonly used in typing, and also if you are playing computer games, definitely you will use these arrow keys to move your objects. අපේ අර කාර් එක වෙන්න පුළුවන් නැත්නම් දුවන කෙනෙක් වෙන්න පුළුවන්, right? To move your object, we use these arrow keys. Right, let's see the arrow keys. Right. By using letter E, we categorize the arrow keys. Right? Arrow keys are also belong to navigation keys. Arrow keys, navigation keys වලට තමයි අයිති වෙන්නේ. But here we discuss it again separately. අපි නැවතත් ඒක වෙනමත් කතා කරනවා, right? Yes. Arrow keys are used to move. Navigation keys mean keys we use to move. So here there are 4 arrow keys. Up, this is the up one. Up, down, right, left. Right. Okay. Today we discuss about the keyboard. Right? Today we discuss about the keyboard. Right? And we discuss about the types of keyboard. Yasindu, what are the 3 types of keyboards you know? What are the 3 types of keyboard you know? Keyboard වර්ග 3 මොකක්ද පුතේ?
Wireless keyboard, wire keyboard, touch keyboard.
Very good. Wired keyboard, wireless keyboard, touch keyboard. Right? After that we discuss the keys or types of keys in the keyboard. Yes. Shioli, could you please tell me one type of keys in the keyboard? Could you please tell me one type, please? One type of keys in the keyboard?
Enter key.
A type of keyboard. Type. Key එකක් නෙමෙයි ටීචර් අහන්නේ type එකක්. Okay. Yasindu, could you please tell me one type of the keyboard, one type of the keys in the keyboard?
Control keys.
Very good. Control keys. Right. Control keys. Then, Shioli, another key type, please. Another one. Control keys. Next one.
arrow keys, function
Arrow
keys,
keys. Function keys.
typing keys,
Typing keys.
navigation keys,
Navigation keys.
numeric keypad.
Very good. Numeric keypad. Right. Quickly, I'll give 3 minutes. Right. Go through or review the note I taught you today. Review the section I taught you today. It means starting from keyboard. Keyboard, types of keyboard, then types of the keys in the keyboard. Typing keys, control keys, navigation keys, numeric keypad, function keys, arrow keys. Right. Quickly go through your note. Quickly review your note that I taught today.
Teacher, මේක මාතෘකා ටික විතරක්ද නැත්නම් මේ වාක්‍යයන් ලියන්න ඕනද?
අපි කතා කරපු to give you the homework, right? Give you the homework. Activity 4.3. Do the first question only. Activity 4.3. You have to complete the first question only. Note down it, Puta. Note down. This is your homework. Activity 4.3, question number 1. It means first question. Right? When you join to the next day class, you have to complete this question. Right? And next week, we can start our 5th lesson. This is the tune for your 5th lesson. Today, I will upload it to your WhatsApp group. So, when you join to the next day class, don't forget to bring up printout. ලබන සතියේ class එකට join වෙද්දී අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම printout එකක් අරගෙන තමයි join වෙන්න ඕන. Right? Is it clear to you, මගේ පුතේ?
Yes, teacher.
Lesson number 5, algorithms and flowchart. And also, you will have 2 tests in near future. ළඟදිම තියෙනවා test දෙකක්. One is from your 4th lesson and the next test from your all the 4 lessons, right? From your first lesson to 4th lesson. Therefore, go through all the ICT notes and get ready for the test. Right. Now I am going to stop the class.